Today's video is sponsored by Smafan, your home for smart ceiling fans by Carro. This is the Koa. The Koa is a 52-inch smart ceiling fan which comes in either white or brushed nickel. The fan comes packaged neatly, with few enough parts to keep the installation experience from feeling overwhelming. The fan has easy-to-follow instructions with images which help make the installation a breeze. There's a total of only 15 screws needed to assemble the fan. Less parts to lose means less frustration. The fan installs easily into the ball and socket mount and is wired using only 2 wires plus ground, making wiring easier and safer for those not as experienced with electricity. The receiver and the light kit are plug and play, meaning once the main power is connected, no more wiring needs to be done. The now installed fan can be controlled using the included remote control, or via the Carro Home app, or via your favorite voice assistant. Registering and adding the fan to the app is simple and intuitive. Once paired, the Carro Home app allows for a level of control not offered by standard remote operation. The Koa features a tunable LED light kit, which can be adjusted to your preferred color temperature, as well as dimmed using both the Carro Home app and the included remote control. Hey Google, turn on my smart fan. Fan also can be reversed using the remote or the Carro Home app, allowing for year-round comfort. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to Carro Smart Fans, and thank you again to Smafan for sponsoring this video.